How to send bulk emails except Mailchimp. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Choose an alternative email marketing platform like Sendinblue, ConvertKit, or Moosend, depending on your budget and needs. 2. Sign up for the platform and create a new audience list by importing your existing email contacts or manually adding new subscribers. 3. Create a new email campaign and design your email using the platform's built-in email editor. Add images, links, and compelling content to engage your audience. 4. Set up segmentation to ensure you're sending targeted emails to the right audience. This helps improve engagement rates and reduces spam complaints. 5. Configure email sending limits to ensure compliance with email service provider regulations. Some platforms have daily or monthly sending caps. 6. Schedule your email campaign for the best time, ensuring maximum open and click-through rates. Many platforms provide insights on the best times to send emails. 7. Monitor email performance through analytics and make adjustments to future campaigns based on open rates, clicks, and conversions.